Hello, amazing parents. It's Paula Smith here, and I've got an important question for you. Are you watching your child struggle with reading, lagging behind their peers, and fighting through homework every single night? You're not alone, but I'm excited to tell you it doesn't have to stay this way. There's a pathway to success, and you can be the hero to help your child find it. I want to introduce you to our transformational 12-week online boot camp specifically designed for young learners from 2nd through 4th grade that turns struggling readers into confident readers. We feel your concerns. Children feeling left out, lacking self-confidence, and the daily struggle over homework. That's why we've crafted a comprehensive approach that's not just dyslexia friendly, but anchored in the science of reading itself. Here's what we're offering. Personalized private tutoring, custom tailored sessions for a full 6 months. Interactive small groups, a supportive space for fluency practice where students can excel together. Live high energy classes. Engage with up to 9 fun-filled party-like webinars each week over 6 months. 3 one-on-one testing sessions so we stay dialed into your child's needs. Engaging digital games, because learning can be fun and effective. Leveled digital books and curated reading lists, ensuring they have exactly what they need at every stage. An accelerated reader and MyOn account from Renaissance Learning to track the number and level of books your child is reading and their progress with comprehension. Comprehensive resources, including video courses, spelling enhancements, worksheets, and vocabulary builders. Plus an extra 3 months of growth-focused learning. This program is the first of its kind because it combines live instruction in different formats, video courses, a dedicated success advisor, a parent and student community, and the support of Accelerated Reader with MyOn digital leveled books. Now you might be wondering, can this program help children with dyslexia? Yes, with our multisensory approach, it most certainly can. Will it fit into our busy lifestyle? With our flexible scheduling options, it will. Is it adaptable to different learning styles? Absolutely, and that's the power of our program. If your child is ready to show up and put in the effort, we're thrilled to offer a success guarantee. After 6 months of full participation, if they're not reading at grade level, we'll continue to work with them at no extra charge until they are. But remember, this program is not for those looking for a magic wand. It demands a true commitment because we're serious about your child's success. Isn't it time for your child to see themselves as the reader they can be? Don't hesitate to take this empowering step toward your child's reading success. Schedule a discovery call with me today to discuss your child's unique challenges and find out how our program can set them on the fast track to reading success. Let us partner with you to make confident, fluent reading a reality for your child. Let's make sure that your child can take advantage of all the higher learning opportunities available to them. Be the catalyst for your child's transformation today. Their story is just beginning. Will you join us?